Hi, my name's Elizabeth Rodriguez. I'm gonna be discussing my cheeseburger. So I'm gonna eat a cheeseburger, and so my teeth are metastasizing it, and then it's gonna turn into a bolus because it's mixing up with saliva, and the tongue is helped to churning the food into saliva. Um, um, the oral cavity, salivary glands. The saliva lubricates the bolus and aids with swallowing. The saliva, it's an enzyme, has lipase that assists in the chemical digestion of complex carbohydrates. Let's see, assisted by numerous muscles to the oral pharynx and epiglottis, which folds back and cover the opening of the waves to the smooth muscle contractions called peristalsis down to your esophagus, peristalsis. It gets through the sphincter and then into the stomach. Here, the acid gastric secretions destroy bacteria. In the bolus, the enzymes made by the stomach is called pepsin, which begins to digest the protein from the chicken or the burger. Mixture of food and gastric secretions from the stomach is now called chyme. The chyme moves to the pyloric sphincter, and it begins a 20-foot long journey through the small intestine. Beginning to the end of this tube consists of the duodenum, the jejunum, the ileum. The pancreatic enzymes are added to the chyme, and bile from the gallbladder. The bile pancreatic lipase help digest lipids in the small intestine. So most of the absorption actually occur in the small intestine. Protein from the chicken or the burger, carbohydrates from the bread, lipid from whatever mayonnaise or whatever food you ate. The lipids into the fatty acids and glycerol, final products then absorbed into the bloodstream, transported to cells in the body to be used as nutrients. The remaining nutrients and waste moves out from the small intestine through the visceral valve in the 5 feet of large intestine or the large bowel. The large intestine tries to reabsorb as much water and electrolytes into the blood, and finally, indigestible waste move through the rectum and out to the anus for elimination. And this concludes my video on the digestive system.